The city of Hopkinsville has declared a state of emergency following last week's severe weather. Jaxie Pigeon checks in with the Hopkinsville mayor, as well as an impacted business owner with how they're faring this morning. Jaxie.
Well, Peyton, Hopkinsville Mayor James Knight calls last week's extreme flooding historic, with nearly 14 inches of rain falling. He says the damage as a result of these storms was widespread, impacting 150 homes, 25 local businesses, and 4 government buildings. Knight was proud to tell us that local, state, and regional response teams wasted no time jumping into action with water rescues, high axle vehicles, and sandbag operations. Southern Exposure, a photography company in downtown Hopkinsville, was one of the businesses that fell victim to the flooding. Owner Tony Curves says it was a concerning sight to wake up to. He, along with family and friends, tell us they tried their best to maintain this water by sandbagging, using shop vacs, and some pumps, but it was just too much to control.
I know it's going to take a lot of rebuilding. We had a pipe break earlier in the year, and we've been going through some construction, so we were actually in the process of doing that, and then this has happened. So it's a little setback, but hopefully we'll be able to dry it out and kind of start over again and get the rebuilding process going.
If your property was affected by flooding, the city asks that you document and report all damages, explaining that it plays a vital role in local recovery and possible state and federal aid.